Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is gonna be a fun video. So before we get into it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe in the corner. And let's get into it, guys. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Frosted Flakes X Glamlite collection. I have two of the items. I technically had a third, but it didn't get shipped in my box, so I won't be reviewing the lip kit that was in the collection. So I just have the palette and the highlighter today. So the palette comes in this really cute box. You know, it's got like the little how you open like a cereal box on the top. It looks like the Frosted Flakes box. It's got like fun facts and ingredients over here. So like fun facts, it says 15 shades per palette, awesomeness 100%, creativity 100%, greatness 100%. It's just pretty cute, like the thought of the packaging. And then inside the palette, the actual palette itself looks just like the front of the box, but when you open it up, it's like you gotta turn it this way. So you have a really nice mirror, and it's got Tony here on the side, and it's got like the Frosted Flakes logo up here in Kellogg's, and then here are the shadows. The shadows are just really pretty. And I love how big the mirror is. I already know that like Glamlite's formula is just amazing. They have such great quality shadows. And they never disappoint. So that is the shade Tony the Tiger. This gold one here is called Yumminess. That's beautiful. This blue one is called Sweet Spark. This matte blue is called Classic. And then this shimmer blue is called Breakfast Time. So here's what they look like. I mean, that gold is just stunning. Okay, and then we have the cute highlighter in the collection. It's called just Frosted Flakes Loose Highlighter. I don't know if there's a shade name. So when you open it up, you like open it up like a carton of milk. You can kind of like twist the sides to like break the seal. And then the inside, the highlighter is so cool. So it reminds you of a bowl of cereal. Because the top legit looks like real Frosted Flakes on the top. I just think that is so cool. I literally bought it for the packaging. And then like it has the sifter on the inside. I'll go ahead and do a swatch. Like, oh my goodness. That highlighter is just stunning. It kind of has like a goldy, like a shift of a gold, but it's kind of a pearl highlighter. It's so pretty. I love the highlighter. And it's like so reflective, like that's my kind of highlighter. Okay, so that's the swatches of the products that I have. Again, I don't have the lip kit that's in the collection. It's actually being shipped to me. It's on its way. They did an investigation on my box, and so they shipped it out to me today. So I don't know, this took like a month to get here, so we'll see how fast the lip kit gets here. Okay, I'm gonna pull back my hair and we'll get started with an eye look. Okay, I zoomed you guys in, And I'm kind of feeling like the theme of my shirt. I put on a blue shirt just for the video. So I'm kind of feeling like these like tealy blue shades here. I think that'd be super fun. I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade called Teamwork. It's this like kind of tealish blue down here. And I'm just going to tap into that and I'm going to start working that into the crease. I already have like all my makeup on. So like my eyes are already got concealer and everything on them. Okay, so that is the matte shadow just really like laid down in the crease and blended out with just this fluffy blending brush. This was the Tapered Contour Crease Brush by MOTD. And then I think I'm going to go into the deepest like navy blue. It's called Go Getter. I'm going to take that on more of a defining brush. I'm going to use this like little angled brush. I'm going to use it to kind of create a liner moment. Okay, so that's kind of the look I went with to create the eyeliner, and I'm just going to do the other side real quick. Okay, so I got the other eyeliner done, so now I'm just going to go in with the shade called Frosted. It's kind of the lightest blue shimmer in the palette. I'm just going to take my finger. These shimmer shadows are just absolutely buttery in this palette. And I'm just going to tap that on the center of my lid. And then I want to do an inner corner highlight, so I'm going to go in with the shade that is a white shimmer in the palette, and just use my pinky and put that in the inner corner. Okay, so eyes are done. I think they turned out so pretty, and I put on some lashes. I like never do lashes, but I felt like this look was so dramatic that it deserved lashes. So I just did some half lashes. That seems to be like the going trend. And I seen a girl do the lash on the underneath of the eye instead of on the top of the eyelid. So that's what I did, and I think it just makes it look less like you're wearing lashes. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So last but not least, we're going to try out the loose highlighter here. I'm just going to tap a little bit off into the lid. And I think I'm just going to apply it with my finger because that's kind of how I like to apply my highlights. I like more of a precise application, and I just feel like you can really blend it into the skin with your finger opposed to a brush. Wow, it's stunning. That highlighter is just off the charts stunning. So I'm going to put on a little bit of lipstick, I think. Yeah, I guess I'll just go with this one. I got this one in my Walmart subscription box. It's this Lottie London liquid lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know in the comments how you think this, what do you think of this collection? Personally, I think this palette is just stunning. I love the colors. I love everything about it. It blended really well. The shimmers are amazing. They're so buttery. I love how you get such a great mirror with it. I love the packaging. the loose highlighter, the packaging, like, come on, is just so cute. I love the highlighter itself. It's so pretty. And I think that's it, you know? Let me know if you picked up anything from this collection, your thoughts on how my look turned out, and yeah, don't forget that you're absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.